Hi everyone, welcome to Dis Travel Duo. Today it's a little bit of a different video because it's not travel related, but it is Disney related. Yes, I'm going to finally Disneyfy my water flask. And it's not the expensive one. It's a towel water bottle, but I do love it. It is great at keeping my drinks cold. But it's not about the bottle. It's about the stickers that I'm going to be using. And I'll show you in a bit what stickers I will be using. By the way, for reference, this is a 64-ounce water flask by Towel. Before I get to showing you the stickers, I'm going to start to prep this. So in order for them to stick better and adhere better, it's clean, but I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol with a lint-free wipe. These are the ones that I even use when, these wipes are the ones that I use when doing my own nails to remove the dust and everything, and they're lint-free. So I'm just going to put a little bit of alcohol and kind of clean the area that I think I will be using, and I'm going to let it air dry. And this is basically because it's like prepping the surface in order for the stickers to adhere better. These are not all the stickers, but these are the ones that have arrived so far. These particular stickers, I got them from different Etsy sellers. These first stickers that I'm going to show you are not actually going to go on this water flask. But since I already have them here, I'm just going to show them to you. So for starters, we have this beautiful little like teacup with the Mickey Mouse head, or Mickey Mouse ears, yeah, and then it's like on a chip card, and it's so cute. I always like to see comparisons, just because I don't know, sometimes you have a better idea. I don't know if this helps at all, but it's compared to the size of a pen. This is the size of the sticker. This is going to go on my coffee cup, on my coffee mug. I just haven't gotten yet, so I'm going to set this one aside. It's from Wish Upon Magic at Etsy. There's two in here that I got, and it's from a Etsy shop called Painterly Dots. And they have lots of different types in the same kind of design, like there's like little painterly dots. And they're nice and shiny. I got this one in the BB-8, and then this one in, wait, this isn't BB-8. Is this BB-9? I don't know. Now I'm starting to think. I think this is BB-9 actually. Anyways, just as cute. And then there's this one right here that's a Mickey silhouette in the same type of colors. Okay, let's get to the real part, to the part of the stickers that I'm going to be using on this water flask. So the first one to come out, oh, it is my favorite and the most recent to arrive. Look at this beautiful Splash Mountain sticker. I love it. I hope you guys can tell the details. It's kind of a matte. It definitely is a matte, but that's okay. I think I would have liked it more shiny. But it's fine because it's the classic ride, and this is just my opinion. I love Splash Mountain, the original, and I wish I could have gotten back in time to see it. I doubt I will, but yeah, so I had to get it. I had to get a little sticker to commemorate Splash Mountain. And another sticker that I got is this one right here, and it's the new refurbished or repainted, I don't know what you would call it, Cinderella Castle at Disney World. It is the pink and blue and gold, and I just got it because I thought it would be, it looks nice. I like it actually. I thought I wasn't gonna like it at first, the actual castle, but now that I've seen it, I've grown to love it. In pictures, of course. But I have those right there. And let me show you this other one. Oh, this is one of my favorites because this is one of my favorite movies of all time. It just gives me so much joy when I see and hear the music. It's this one for Mary Poppins, and it says, "What's Poppin'?" And they also, this Etsy seller had like a glittery version, and I just wanted the matte version, which is good because so far these stickers that I have are matte. So I guess they kind of do go together. So there's that one. What's poppin'? Oh, and if you guys are wondering, let me know and then I'll tell you, because I don't want to bombard the video with all this seller information. If you guys don't want to, I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And also I share them in my Instagram if you guys want to see them and tag them. Oh, this is one of my favorites. This Epcot Spaceship Earth. Oh, I love it. Look at these colors. This was the first to arrive, and I absolutely fell in love with it because depends on how you look at it. It's holographic, and then sometimes it'll just look completely silver, and then other times you'll get the holographic colors, which make it look like if it was at night in Epcot and the Spaceship Earth is lit up. But it's a beautiful glossy sticker. I am so excited for that one. And then last but not least in these sticker collections, like I said, it's just a little bit that I got. I still have to wait for the others to arrive, and of course this is something that you can always add into, maybe depends on how I place them. But the one that I ordered was this one right here, the Mad Teacups, and then they gave me this one as a little freebie, which is so cute, and I am planning to put it on because it's a Mickey head, and why not? But yeah, this one, because I love the colors and I think it would go well with this, but also because I love coffee, and I finally was able to get into the Mad Teacup party at Disney World this last time that we went, my daughter and I, on our mom and daughter trip, and I was able to get on it. I hate spinning rides, but it wasn't that bad, actually. It wasn't that bad. Oh yes, and this one, since it's here, it's from Castle Park Lane at Etsy, right there. All right, so let me get started. It's now that I see them here laid out, I realize it's not that many, especially taking into consideration how big this water bottle is, which I honestly underestimated the size. So I kind of just place them like that and see how I want to do this. Like if I want these on top, maybe like that. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do like a Magic Kingdom side, and then I'm gonna do an Epcot side. So for example, since Mary Poppins will be going possibly in Epcot, I'm gonna stick these on the other side, and then this one right here, I think I'll put it right there. I'll put the teacups right there. I'm super nervous. Hold on. Okay, let's see how it goes. I went ahead and grabbed just an old like card that isn't even valid anymore, like a rewards card, and I'm so nervous. Okay, so let me start. I'm gonna just do it like that, and then with the card, just kind of slowly. And I mean, I'm gonna have more stickers, so it's gonna look pretty empty right now because it's a very big flask. It's a very big water bottle. But once I get more stickers, hopefully they will look nice and complete. That's the first one. Oh dear. It's kind of good. I'm not gonna obsess over it because then I'm really going to have a hard time. Okay, after an X-Acto forever, I finally got to separate them. Oof, this one was hard because it doesn't really have a border. I think this one will go right here. Get my little card. And I'm doing it gently, not to damage or scratch the sticker, which, there you go. Flip it this way. Yeah, this is a transparent one. And let me just, and I like this card that I'm using because it's really flexible and light. Oh, I love it. I love it. Right there, right there. You see how bendy it is? And it doesn't have like super sharp edges, so I'm just going lightly because I don't want to damage the sticker. Now, to my Epcot side, I guess. Okay, here I got the little legs off, and I'm gonna try to take this part off like that. Kind of. Oops, it's a little bit crooked. I know I said it didn't matter, but I also don't want it too crooked. And just gently. That's okay, because then that way it'll give me enough space to go on underneath and on the top right here, and then down here to put more stuff. And I think I'm gonna put that one right here. You know? Yep, I think that's where it's gonna go. Maybe a little bit lower. That way it kind of looks like it's flying over to Epcot. And now, oh, look at all the scraps, or the backings. So this is what I have so far. And I think I'm going to put, because it's looking kind of sparse, is this one right here, these two. I love it. That was the freebie one that I got. So this is it for this occasion. I'm still waiting for more in the mail. I should have probably waited until I got them all, but I honestly was too excited. And this is what I've done. The What's Poppin', the Marvelous Epcot, that Mickey that was included, my all-time favorite Splash Mountain, the castle, the teacups, and we're back to What's Poppin'. And so this is it for now. I am definitely going to be putting a lot more. And then I still need to decorate my coffee travel mug, which is why I have these other two pending right over here. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to see me actually do the rest of my stickers, let me know in a comment. Like this video if you did, share it. And if you guys have any questions about these stickers, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer in a timely manner. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this travel duo, and until next time.